The world has changed vis-a-vis President Trump. We have the lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. If your deal doesn't make money, metaphorically speaking, you ought to blow your fucking brains out. I want to be known as the greatest that ever lived high-performance coach. Seeing kids that should have rolled down the inside of their mother's leg make $10 million is a fucking high like you wouldn't believe. What were you doing other than jacking off at 17, 18, 19? Nothing. Being a high-performance person doesn't mean you're a good person. You're Attila the Hun and Adolf Hitler. I don't give a shit. They used to stand me in the corner. They said I was retarded. Then they put me in the fucking closet, and I would be in there 4, 5, 6 hours till school was over, piss my pants, shit my pants, because they wouldn't let me out.
And you're glad that happened.
Fucking right I am. Otherwise I'd be like these snowflake cunts. A snowflake is a kid that melts under pressure. They don't lack education, they lack leadership.
People are asking me, when is Dan Peña going to Washington?
I'd probably make a better Secretary of Treasury, but I'd like to be Secretary of Defense. If you like me at the end of this talk, I did something wrong. Love is great, but I don't need it. Respect will do. Fucking weenies.